Hello guys, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you think about this video. Today I'm making a mini queen's cake. My son requests for this cake. So you cream your sugar and butter together. If you have normal mixer, you can use that. If you also have this hand mixer, you can also use it. Mix until it is very floppy. Floppy means that it will now look like creamy, very creamy. That is when you know that okay, this mixture is ready. You see how the color changed, right? From cream to kind of white, so it's not pure white. So you know that okay, the mixture is ready. It's time to add your egg. So on this recipe I used 9 eggs, butter 250 grams, flour 300 grams. I'm also going to write the recipe on the comment section so you can look, see them and try it out. It's very good. Please support me by sharing my video, leave a comment, please give a good comment and share my video, please guys. You can also join my membership. So this is yellow color. You add a little of yellow color. So this is our flour. You add your baking powder. You add raisin. You can add the mixed fruit raisin or normal raisin. This is normal one. This is not the mixed one. Add it to your batter. You have to mix on a low speed because you add the flour to it. So our mixture is ready. See how it looks like. So on our baking pan, I'm going to use groundnut oil, but you can also rub butter on it, or you can use your groundnut oil, anyone you have. So now I'll be adding my cupcake sheet to it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Please guys, share my video. Please help me by sharing my video. So it's time to fill in my batter. shake and allow it to settle down. So to the oven, our cake is ready. See how beautiful it comes out. So you can use the skewer, or you can use knife to check if the cake is ready. Once it come out clean and plain, you know that your cake is ready. That is how to know when your cake is ready. My kids are so happy that finally our cake is here. Children with cake. My son was even singing. Children with cake, or children like cake. They're just like 5 and 6. They like sweet things. See how beautiful our cake comes out, right? Please try this recipe and let me know what you think about it, about the comment section. You can also share your picture with me after making it. You can share your picture and put on the comment section, okay? So let's see how it goes. Thank you so much if you have watched to this place. Thank you, I really appreciate. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.